Curious if maca root really lives up to the hype? On today's episode of Live Lean TV, we're diving into the science behind the claims to see if maca root truly is a superfood that boosts energy, fertility, and more. Stick around to uncover the truth about the benefits of maca root powder, uses, side effects, and more, all backed by science. Hey Live Leaners, I'm Brad Guthrie from LiveLeanTV.com. So today we're diving into the world of maca root. So whether you're looking to boost your energy, improve your libido and fertility, or just curious about this superfood, I've got you covered. I'll break everything down in simple terms and keep it brief so you get the key points quickly. And to make things easier, I've also included timestamps for each question and answer in the description below. So let's get into it. What is maca root? So maca root is a plant native to the Andes Mountains in Peru. It's a cruciferous vegetable related to broccoli and cauliflower and has been used for thousands of years for its medicinal properties. Maca root is rich in vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds called adaptogens, which claim to help the body adapt to stress. And maca root supplements have gained popularity recently based on claims it might be good for fertility, libido, and sexual dysfunction. So when maca root is dried and ground, it becomes maca powder, which is the most common supplement form used today. Even though maca root is not a stimulant or a direct energy booster like caffeine, it claims to support your body's natural energy levels without causing the jitters or crashes. So how do you use maca root? Maca comes in several supplement forms, including maca powder, capsules, and tinctures. This makes it versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. The most common form is maca powder, which can be added to smoothies, oatmeal, or baked goods. And I love adding maca root powder to my superfood maca powder smoothie recipe. If you want to check that out, you can click right here. So how much maca root powder should I take? Even though the optimal dosage of maca powder has not been firmly established via research, maca is typically used by adults in daily doses ranging from 1.5 to 3.5 grams. So if you're new to it, start with a small amount like half a teaspoon of maca powder daily, then gradually increase based on your tolerance. It's best to take maca powder consistently for at least 6 weeks and combine it with food to help with absorption. How long does it take for maca root supplements to work? So maca root supplements typically take about 6 to 12 weeks to show noticeable effects. However, individual responses can vary, as some people may begin to feel the benefits like increased energy, improved mood, and sexual function within 3 to 6 weeks of consistent use. So for best results, patience, regular use, and a healthy lifestyle and balanced diet is key. Does maca root have side effects for males and females? So maca root is generally considered safe for males and females, but some may experience mild side effects. These mild side effects can include digestive issues like bloating or gas, especially when starting out with higher doses. Some people might also notice changes in mood or sleep patterns. It's recommended to start with a lower dose and gradually increase to assess your tolerance. Research has shown it's been safely used by adults in doses of 1.5 to 3.5 grams for 6 to 16 weeks. And if you have existing health conditions or you are pregnant, there isn't enough reliable information to determine the safety of maca during pregnancy or breastfeeding. So just to stay on the safe side, consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating maca root into your routine. Can you take maca root and ashwagandha together? So a lot of people have asked if you can take both of these together. The answer is yes. For most people, you can take maca root and ashwagandha together. Like maca root, ashwagandha is also an adaptogenic herb used for its potential to reduce stress and anxiety. And while there isn't a specific study directly examining the combination of maca and ashwagandha, individual studies do support their separate benefits. So this 2016 research shows maca can improve mood and energy. And this 2012 study found ashwagandha was effective for reducing stress and anxiety. So combining them could potentially enhance these benefits, but if this is still a concern, it's best to consult with your healthcare professional. Is maca root good for fertility? So research suggests maca root may be good for fertility, particularly for men. When it comes to fertility, this study right here showed men supplementing with 2 grams of maca over 12 weeks significantly improved sperm concentration, meaning the number of sperm. So higher sperm concentration increases the chances of successful fertilization. However, there was no significant change in total semen volume or sperm mobility, meaning how well the sperm can move when compared to a placebo group. So while the evidence is promising, more high-quality research is needed for definitive conclusions. Is maca root good for libido and erectile dysfunction? So limited research on maca root has been reported to be beneficial for libido and sexual desire. This study right here showed that men aged 21 to 56 years old supplemented with 1,500 milligrams or 3,000 milligrams of maca noticed an improvement in sexual desire after 8 weeks of treatment. In addition to this erectile dysfunction study right here concluded that combining maca root with Chinese chive seed produced better synergistic effects on male sexual function than maca extract or Chinese chive extract alone. And here's a study for the women. In this 2015 study involving 45 women with antidepressant-induced sexual dysfunction found that taking 3,000 milligrams of maca root daily for 12 weeks significantly improved sexual function and libido compared to a placebo. So with all this said, although the evidence is encouraging, more research is needed to draw definitive conclusions. Does maca root increase testosterone? So scientific evidence does not strongly support that maca significantly increases testosterone levels. So even though research suggests maca may enhance sexual desire and function, it does not notably affect testosterone levels in healthy men. Maca's benefits seem more related to overall sexual health and mood rather than directly boosting testosterone. Does maca root help with menopause? So maca root may support hormonal balance, improving overall well-being, and help alleviate symptoms such as hot flashes and mood swings during menopause. So this study right here indicated favorable effects in helping alleviate hot flashes and mood swings. However, the findings were limited by a small number of trials, so more research is needed to establish the efficacy and the safety of maca for managing menopausal symptoms. Is maca root good for weight gain or weight loss? So scientific evidence suggests that maca root does not directly cause significant weight gain or weight loss. For weight management, focus on diet and exercise rather than just relying on maca alone. Does maca root help improve mood and energy? So to date, there has been a few research studies that back up the claim that maca root helps improve mood and energy in specific people. So this 2016 study showed humans taking 3 grams of maca daily for 12 weeks improved mood and energy compared to a placebo. And then in this 2021 study on mice, they found that maca played a key role in regulating exercise-induced fatigue in mouse muscle. And this 2022 study indicated maca extract might reduce fatigue in young adult women. However, with this said, more research is needed to draw firm conclusions about maca's impact on energy and mood. What are the health benefits of maca root for men and women? So even though current studies show mixed results, early scientific research suggests that maca root may offer several health benefits for both men and women. Potential maca root benefits may include improved fertility in men, increased libido, improved sexual dysfunction, reduced menopause symptoms, improved mood, and increased energy. However, more extensive studies are needed before maca can be recommended for treating any specific health condition or symptom. So what's your experience with maca root? Have you noticed any benefits or side effects? Share your comments and questions in the comments below because I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more health and fitness tips. Are you curious about whether the supplement taurine lives up to the hype? Click the video right here to uncover the science-backed truth about taurine and find out if it's worth adding to your daily supplement routine. Thanks for watching and keep living lean.